Okay, hello. Let me turn this on. Hello. Apparently it did not work because I think when I bought the star coins, they didn't work. So, turn them on. So, I'm gonna go buy the horse. I'm so happy for this. I can't believe it. Okay. Here it is. I'm so happy. It looks like fire, and also this is the first ever. Fire mist? Fire mist. Fire mist. Okay, I have to add into my little thing. Okay. Rose? Where did Rose go? Where's Rose? Rose? Oh no. Rose is much stronger horse than feeling like I accidentally leave her. It's just like a little. Oh, that was my problem. Oh, how did I not even notice that? Okay. No, I don't really. How am I gonna get on? So, this is actually just be roses. Apparently. Oh, his animation is beautiful. I love it. So we're gonna go outside and see how he runs. Oh no. Oh my god. How dare you? Rose ran into the freaking thing. Look at the what are you getting on, Star Stable? Oh, wait, hold on, I have to get it. Hold on, I have to get to my home stable. This is Hungry Boy. Oh my god, it's a rain panda! Why are there just random girls behind here? Like, dude, you guys got lives, right? Okay, well, apparently I can't do that. Stop freaking backing up. No, stop. Sorry. Oh yeah, I got that too. Yeah. It's on Rose, which I'm currently riding right now without any tack on, and my god, I'm just a little rat in my starter horse. I look so cool, and yes I do. Why do I not have any freaking tack on? I need some. Try worship like a dog in the shine of your light. I need some freaking tack on me. Winter, give me your tack. Give me your tack, Winter. Guys, it's Comet the Dork. Oh no, I got there right there. Yeah, it's Comet the Dork.
No, I'm not talking to you. I'm talking to my purse.
Okay, well, apparently Rose is not going to have any tack, probably because my keyboard shut down, so Rose is not going to have any tack, but, hold on, are you in Moreland or something like that? Oh, I found one of our club members. And he died! You can't see my new tack. You can't see it! Well, even though it's not important, but still. You can't see what's on what I have right now. And
wow, thanks to the production stealing my cookie.
for you. Oh no, I ran into something. Oh. Hi! Hi. What is wrong with you, Midnight? Pardon? I must be a wild creature because I am a wild creature. It's 7:49, so yeah. There's some other versions of it. I am a beautiful horsey, and I'm running so beautifully because I'm just so cute and I don't know the gender of it. So yeah, I don't know the gender of Fire Miss. Yeah, I don't know the gender of her or him or gender miscellaneous. So this is all I'm gonna do for this video. Comment and see more. And oh no, what has happened? What has happened? Okay, hold on. And bye. Hold on. And yeah, I already did. Bye.